The unboxing experience immediately reflects UGOOS's utilitarian approach. Inside the box, everything is neatly organized and thoughtfully included. UGOOS AM9 Pro TV box, Bluetooth remote, HDMI cable, USB cable, power adapter, two external Wi-Fi antennas, and quick start documentation. There are no unnecessary accessories or filler, just the essentials required to get up and running. The inclusion of external antennas already signals UGOOS's focus on real-world performance rather than minimalist aesthetics. After extended use, the UGOOS AM9 Pro stands out as a refined, capable, and deeply customizable Android TV box that stays true to UGOOS's core philosophy. It is not designed for users seeking a lockdown, appliance-like experience, but for those who want control, flexibility, and long-term firmware value. It is one of the most compelling options available. With Android 14, Wi-Fi 6, HDMI 2.1, DDR5 memory, and unmatched software customization, the AM9 Pro confidently earns its place as a versatile entertainment powerhouse. It is equally at home streaming movies, managing local media libraries, gaming casually, or acting as a smart home interface. For enthusiasts who know what UGOOS represents, and for newcomers ready to move beyond generic TV boxes, the AM9 Pro delivers exactly what it promises.